If you are seeing error 153 video player configuration error while trying to watch a YouTube video, don't worry. It's a common issue. This error usually happens when the YouTube video player fails to load properly due to problems like an outdated app or browser corrupted cache or cookies or certain browser extensions blocking YouTube playback system. Sometimes it also appears when a video embedded on another website and can only be viewed directly on YouTube. To fix this issue, simply clear your browser cache or app data, update your YouTube app or browser to the latest version. Disable any ad blockers or VPNs and try to reloading the page. If you are still facing the problem, open the video directly on the YouTube app or browser. In most cases, it will start working normally again within a few minutes once YouTube refreshes its player configuration. Or if you still facing the same issue, then most probably YouTube server currently not working properly. So wait some time, it will automatically fix.